What's up? That was my brother who never wants to show his face. I'm not deleting it. Guess what? You're now in my video. Huh?
You are a goat.
No, you are a goat. When did that one start calling me a goat? Are you mad? Check the glow. Check the glow. The glow is here to stay. Chai. Before we begin, I would like to discuss Beyonce's Coachella performance from last night. Okay, well, stuff is now falling. Just gonna sit down and mind my business. I look like freshly fried chicken. Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm about to be so hype in this video because whenever I've not filmed for a while and I get in front of the camera again, I don't know where this energy comes from. I just feel so hype. I feel so alive. I feel good. And it's just I just wanted to do a fun short little video today. So I was on Twitter the other day and I came across this article that was retweeted onto my timeline by Allure magazine. The Twitter user called Leah Love decided to mix the Jackie Aina La Peach highlighter. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder, and it's their collaboration with Jackie Aina. This color is called La Peach, in case you didn't know. But she mixed it with baby oil, shook it up, and applied it, and it looked like the Fenty Beauty Body Lava. So I'm gonna be doing that today. She used baby oil, but on the article they said that some people were suggesting either almond oil or grapeseed oil. I don't have any baby oil, but I do have grapeseed oil, but it looks like this. So I'm just gonna try it. I don't know. I'm just gonna try it. In case you didn't know, the Fenty Beauty Luminizing Body Lavas did come out recently, and they are $60. Okay. You guys know I love Fenty Beauty, but I just don't see myself investing $59 and then you have to add tax and other stuff on top of it. Over $60 on a product for yeah, you know. I definitely feel this is one of those products where if you're into that kind of stuff, you're really into it, and if you're not into it, you're just not gonna buy it. So, you know, I didn't really purchase it. I did consider purchasing it for you guys just so I could show you how it works and what I thought about it, but I decided not to because the way my life and my priorities are set up right now, I just cannot calculate the effectiveness of the investments of the stock change of Fenty Beauty. Now, there are some things I will splurge on. Skincare, definitely, and most likely complexion products. I don't really splurge on a lot of like eyeshadows or bronzers or blush or anything like that. I will, however, sometimes splurge on foundations, maybe even concealers at times, but for the most part, I'm a very simple person. You know, I'm just very simple as I blind you with my highlighter. I'm just gonna move off to the side real quick and show you guys Leah's video, and you can see here that she is mixing the oil with the Diamond Glow powder, putting it into the, you know, the little bottle, and then she shakes it up, and then she shows you at the end what it's looking like. Here's my grapeseed oil, and yes, it is yellow. Okay, that's one. No, that's two actually. I feel like I'm gonna end up putting a lot. I also have LeBron's. I kind of want to see what this would look like mixed in with LeBron's. So I'm adding quite a lot to this mixture. Now I'm going to shake. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at it. Oh my God, that's pretty. Oh, why am I yelling? I'm so sorry for yelling. I'm so sorry. I just got really excited. I'm sorry for yelling. Look at the swirl. That is so pretty. Get my Rihanna on. Oh my God. Oh, please don't drip. Please don't drip. Okay, I didn't think this through. I did not think this through. Hold on. Okay. So we have our... There's nothing. All I see is oil. I don't see highlighter on me. Did I not add enough? So I don't get this all over me, I'm gonna squirt it out onto my mixing palette. Let me see if I can show you guys this without dripping it everywhere. Oh my, no! Wait, I have to do it like Rihanna, like. I feel like I do see a little bit of color. I don't wanna take this to my neck, you guys. I'm just gonna leave it here. It's just all oil to me, or maybe it's my lighting. I'm gonna see what this looks like outside. Am I Rihanna yet? I feel like I didn't add enough of it, so I'm going to take a little bit of the Diamond Glow powder and add it to the oil that's already on my mixing plate. I think maybe it's the kind of oil I use because this doesn't, I don't feel sexy, I just feel sticky. Ooh, do you see the angle right there? Do you see the angle right there? I see why y'all like this. I see. I look like freshly fried chicken. I don't want to take this up my neck. It's just gonna make me feel too one kind. You could just call me Kentucky Fried Youkeyy, okay? Get that, show that, get that, hey, show that, get that, show that. I'm gonna take you guys outside real quick and then I'll show you what it looks like in daylight. Looking down at my chest, I can actually see the specks of the highlighter, and I can barely see the screen on my phone though because it's really, really bright out here because of the sun. Beautiful California weather. So definitely rude. Yeah, my only concern, no. Can't see it in this lighting too. Get that, show that, get that. As you can see, it does give you that body lava type of aesthetic. So if you're looking for a cheap, effective way to get that body lava type of glow this summer, then yes, this is definitely something you can do. And usually if this is your aesthetic, you probably don't mind, you know, having it on your skin and up your neck, or possibly even on your clothes. But for me personally, I already mentioned I'm just not into these kind of products that require me to just slather stuff all over my chest. And yeah, from what I've seen on the reviews of the body lava, people are saying that it does, you know, dry down. There's no transfer. Some people said there's no transfer. Others did get a bit of transfer. But this technique is definitely not transfer proof, so just be aware of that. Oh, another thing you could actually use is setting spray. I know some people will put a little bit of loose highlighter into their setting spray and then spray that onto their body, and then when it dries down, they're good to go. And I'm gonna wipe this off because it's just not, I'm not comfortable. That's just me. So yeah, is there anything else I need to tell you guys? Oh, be sure to turn on notifications for my channel. Have all notifications turned on because for the giveaway, I've decided that it's going to go to a member of the notification squad. So just be aware. I don't want to hear anything like, you didn't tell us, you didn't give us a warning. You are going to be getting details about the giveaway very soon. So just be aware, and also follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram at Youkeyy_. Be sure to turn on post notifications for Instagram as well. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and also comment down below to let me know what you think. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and again, hit the bell, turn on all notifications. Don't dull yourself. So yeah, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye. Amazing to be loved. I'll follow you to the moon and the skies above. Hi, I'm Youkeyy. Welcome to this side of weird. Welcome.